Hey guys, in this video we are going to see how you can hide your subscribers count from public. Because if you feel that you don't want to expose your subscribers count to a public, then YouTube has given an option to disable the subscribers count. So let me going to show you how you can disable the subscribers count. So to do that, you can go to YouTube dashboard. I'm on the studio.youtube.com, or even if you go to your normal youtube.com/dashboard, that will take you to this new YouTube studio. So in the new YouTube studio, go to settings, click on the settings, and from settings go to the very last option, other settings, and click on the advanced channel settings. It will take you to the new tab where you can find an option to hide your subscribers count. At last, if you scroll down, you can see that do not display the number of people subscribed to my channel. Just select this one. By default, this will be selected, so you have to select this option to not display your subscriber count to the people. Click on save. That's it, you are done. Now let's check whether the subscriber count is actually disabled or not in the new incognito window. So let's go to YouTube and click on my channel name, that's Traffico. If you see here, the subscribers count is not visible. So this is another channel which uses my name, so it shows 300 some subscribers, but if you see here, there is no subscribers count here. So this is how you can hide your subscribers count from public. So that's it for the video. If you like this video, give thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Bye bye.